This video is sponsored by buymote shopping app.
In a remote village by the edge of a tranquil lake, there lived a young woman named 𝗦𝘁cie. 𝗦𝘁cie was known for her endless curiosity and her constant search for answers. She would spend her days asking questions, seeking wisdom from everyone around her. But no matter how much she learned, her heart remained unsettled, and peace always seemed just out of reach. One day, 𝗦𝘁cie heard of a reclusive master who lived by the lake and was said to possess the secret to true peace. Eager to find the answers she sought, 𝗦𝘁cie decided to visit the master. After a long journey, 𝗦𝘁cie arrived at a small cottage by the lake. There, she found the master sitting quietly by the water, gazing at the reflection of the sky. 𝗦𝘁cie approached and bowed respectfully. "Master," she said, "I have traveled far to seek your guidance. My mind is constantly searching, always asking, but my heart never finds peace. Can you teach me how to quiet my mind?" The master smiled softly and gestured to the still water before them. "Look at the lake," he said. "What do you see?" 𝗦𝘁cie looked closely at the water. At first, it seemed perfectly calm, reflecting the blue sky and the surrounding trees. But as she focused, she noticed ripples forming on the surface, disturbing the reflection. "Now look again," the master said. "What happens when a stone is thrown into the water?" 𝗦𝘁cie imagined the stone causing ripples to spread across the surface, distorting the image of the sky and trees. The water no longer reflected a clear picture, but was instead troubled by the disturbance. The master turned to her. "The mind is like this water. When we are constantly throwing stones, thoughts, worries, distractions, into it, the reflection becomes unclear. Only when the water is still can we see clearly. To find peace, you must first still the waters of your mind." 𝗦𝘁cie felt a deep understanding begin to form in her heart. "But how do I still my mind?" she asked. The master took a deep breath and replied, "You must learn to let go. Do not try to control every thought. When a thought arises, acknowledge it, then let it pass like a cloud drifting by. Return to the stillness. Focus on the present moment, on the simple act of breathing, and allow your mind to settle." 𝗦𝘁cie sat beside the master, closed her eyes, and followed his guidance. She let go of her thoughts, one by one, and slowly, the stillness of the lake began to mirror the stillness within her heart. Her mind, once filled with questions and doubts, became clear and calm. For the first time in her life, 𝗦𝘁cie felt at peace. From that day forward, 𝗦𝘁cie returned to the lake whenever her mind grew restless. She carried the lesson of the still water with her, knowing that true peace did not come from the answers she sought, but from the ability to let go and embrace the present moment. And as the lake remained calm, so did 𝗦𝘁cie's heart.